What is the real meaning of raw meat in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of raw meat dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees a raw meat in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to change your attitude towards life as soon as possible. Because most of the time, hastiness and wish for overnight success mentality creates only problems, worries, burdens, and confusion in life. So, this is the right time to think before act to get success in your work, project, or planning. So, to avoid these problems, just have some patience in life and make very clear goals according to priority and your true passion in real life. Now, number 2, if someone sees getting raw meat in a dream, then it's a sign of good luck, prosperity, and indicates new opportunities for success in life with certain monetary gain in real life. Now, number 3, if someone sees cooking raw meat in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates that you are going to get tremendous success in life due to your skills, knowledge, wisdom, and creative power. So, to take the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to set some big goals according to priority in life. Only then you will be able to use your true potential in real life. Now, number 4, if someone sees or eats bloody raw meat in a dream, then it indicates to recognize your true passion, potential, and desires in life. Otherwise, you can waste your talent, energy, money, and time on useless things. So, to avoid these things, you should focus on your strengths rather than weaknesses. Only then you will be able to handle all kinds of life problems very easily. Now, number 5, if someone sees eating raw meat in a dream, then it indicates that you have good plan in life, but there is something important thing is missing right now. That's why you are facing lots of problems to get the desired results in life. So, to avoid these obstacles, you should cross-check your plans before execution, as well as you should have some patience in life. Now, number 6, if someone sees raw meat in the fridge in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates a sudden big profit from a business, job, etc. Or you are going to get big opportunities for success in life that will change you and your life completely in positive ways. Now, number 7, if someone sees a butcher shop or raw meat market in a dream, then it gives a kind of warning to focus on your current goals and targets without any distractions. Otherwise, you will have to face some kind of obstacles to achieving the desired results in waking life. Because you have high level of confidence and lots of opportunities in front of you, but you will have to choose them wisely to get the tremendous success in real life. Now, number 8, if someone sees selling raw meat in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good fortune and sudden monetary gain from a business, job, etc. in real life. Now, number 9, if someone sees or eats rotten raw meat in a dream, then it indicates obstacles to completing any work, project, or planning. As well as this dream also gives a kind of warning to cross-check your plans before execution, because you have made any kind of wrong decision in life that needs some corrections as soon as possible to get the desired results in real life. Now, number 10, if someone sees sharing his or her raw meat in a dream, then it indicates big success and prosperity in the coming future with the support of others and the divine in real life. Now, number 11, if someone sees buying raw meat in a dream, then it indicates good fortune, big profit, and easy success in any work, project, or planning without any hindrance in real life.